The COVID-19 outbreak has cast its shadow over the festivities around the world. With Eid al-Fitr just around the corner, Muslims around the world are now trying their best to celebrate the festival of Eid in their own ways amid this pandemic. People in Syria have turned to flea markets for their Eid shopping as COVID-19 takes a hard toll on the country's economy. Many Syrians have now turned to flea markets to get their hands on second-hand clothes for the festival so that they don't have to spend too much money.
بالنسبة لأسواق العيد مقارنة بالسنين الماضية هي تعد أسوأ سنة بالنسبة لنا. إذا بضل الوضع هيك أنا كصاحب محل يعني أو بعض المحلات أو بعض التجار ممكن نبيع محلاتنا. وصلنا لمرحلة ما عاد في مجال نتحمل أكثر من هيك. نوصل لمرحلة إنه عم بيقطع ب 500 فيك تقول ببلاش عن جد ببلاش يعني اليوم الكيس 700 ليرة بيجيك زبون عم بيفاصل أو ما بده ياخذها أو بالأحرى بيخاف تبيعه بالناقص حتى ياخذها. الوضع كثير سيء الله يفرج بجاه.
Hundreds of people in Afghanistan flouted the lockdown restrictions to gear up for Eid al-Fitr with shopping at a street bazaar in Kabul. Now remember, the Kabul is currently Afghanistan's COVID-19 epicenter, and the country has reported more than 8,000 infected cases with more than 180 deaths due to this disease. Volunteers in Algeria were seen spraying disinfectants in the Algiers Abu Hanifa Mosque as part of a national campaign to disinfect places of worship before Eid. Eid marks the end of the holy month of Ramzan and is often celebrated with mass prayers and feasting together among Muslims worldwide. Hundreds of passengers flocked to Indonesia's largest airport to catch early morning flights ahead of Eid, despite the government urging people not to travel home ahead of the festival. Earlier in the month of April, Indonesian president imposed a ban on mudik, or the annual travel ahead for Eid, to curb the virus. And there was also traffic on the streets of Indonesia ahead of Eid in the country. Meanwhile, thousands of shoppers thronged a local market in Indonesia's city of Sukabumi ahead of Eid. Shoppers flouted restrictions and thronged the streets despite the virus still living among the country. Indonesia has reported more than 19,000 COVID-19 cases with over 1,200 deaths. The economy has taken a backseat in the Malaysian city of Kuala Lumpur. The 2-month lockdown to combat this virus has taken a toll on the business sector as well. Shops and complexes have witnessed a significant decrease in shoppers, and the upcoming Eid al-Fitr has not shown much improvement in the revival of the economy. Many shopkeepers fear that they will have no choice but to shut down due to the impact from 2 months of a strict lockdown.
Saya pun takut jugalah dalam keadaan sekarang ni kan, takut kedai kita pun akan tutup sebab tak ada orang. Orang pun, you boleh tengok sendiri kan keadaan lengang sekarang. Kan sepatutnya kita sekarang ni dalam keadaan masa sekarang ni memang orang berpusu-pusu tau untuk menyambut Hari Raya. Tapi tahun ini memang sedih sangat tau. Memang sedih sangat bagi saya seorang peniaga lah. Dah berapa puluh tahun